Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So at Costco right now for their holiday season, they have this right here. So it's a K-Beauty facial boutique is what they called it, but it's kind of like along the lines of an advent calendar. So this one's a little different and unique in the way that it doesn't have days per se. It has 7 steps within your skincare routine. So it's going to give you something that you can actually use in order if you want to do a Korean skincare routine. So I think it was so cute. It was $39.99, and on the back it already tells you what you get. So we're going to start with step 1, which is down here, and it's obviously a cleanser, which is one of the first steps within the routine. It's like cardboard, so you just take it out like this. And this is a brand I've actually have not used. I've seen at Sephora before. And this is the Sunday Skin Cleanser. So it comes with a full-size cleanser. I will be using this with my foamy net. Yeah, so it's just like a basic, doesn't really have any scent, creamy cleanser, and then once you wet it, it's going to turn nice and lathery. So this is the first step, a full-size cleanser that comes in the kit. Moving on to step 2, which is right up here, and this one is from the brand Costco, which is a brand I have used. So this is their Propolis extract and honey extract toner. So after you cleanse, you use this small toner. Obviously it is not full size, it's 1.01 Flora ounces. This would probably last me about 2 weeks, maybe a month, depending on how I use it. Yes, it's a little bit thicker. Not much of a scent at all, but I feel like after I lathered up with this cleanser, this would be a really nice, oh yeah, hydrating, gentle toner or essence to pat in afterwards. So this is the second step. Now let's move to the third step. It's the big one right here. So it does come with masks. So it tells you more details once you open it up on the back of the cardboard. Oh, nice. So yeah, I thought this was nothing was on the back, but it actually tells you details on the back. So you get 2 of them to try out, and it's from the brand Glowist, which is a brand I haven't used before, but these are just basic sheet masks. You could see definitely what they were trying to do because sheet masks are definitely a staple in Korean skincare. So this would be your third step to mask after you have cleansed and toned. Moving on to the 4th step, which is down here. So it's another Saturday Skin product, and this is the Wide Awakening Eye Cream. So they do include an eye cream, which is really great. Lift your heavy eyes with this eye cream that includes seed extract, avocado, protein extract, and hyaluronic acid. Okay, so it's more of like a gel textured type eye cream, so it'd probably be a little bit better for the AM, but ooh, seems very hydrating. So this was the 4th little step in here. 3 steps left, and we're gonna go to the 5th one up here. And when I was looking on the back, I already was familiar with this. This is the Costco Snail Essence 96. So it's just like a concentrated essence that supposedly has snail slime in it that helps with wrinkles. I think I went through like 2 bottles of these back in the day, but I remember it was hydrating, but it just, I didn't see too much of a difference in my skin. It's very slimy. I think I just didn't repurchase it for that fact because it was really super slimy and just the texture wasn't layering on good with other products. But I feel like since this is more of like a basic, and this Costco toner that you put on first is a lot more lightweight, this is going to layer on really nicely with it. This one says though it's supposed to be the 5th step, and then the eye cream is supposed to be the 4th step. I would suggest to do the cleansing, the toning, and then the essence after. And then after your moisturizer, this is probably going to be the last step. So you don't really have to go in order of what the box tells you. Eye cream is always, in my opinion, the last step. All right, so number 6 right here is the moisturizer. I think this is full size, and this is the Ultra Natural Hydrating Cream with 72 hours of hydrating protection. It is a really buttery, creamy formula. But like a lot of K-Beauty products, once you rub it onto your skin, it almost instantly sinks down. So it's non-scented. All right, so number 7 is a sleeping mask. I knew it, I knew it. So this would be technically the last step. I said that the eye cream probably would have been the last step, but the sleeping pack or sleeping mask would. So it's another Saturday Skin product. It's just a small mini size sleeping pack. and it just says that it's a yuzu vitamin C sleeping mask. If you're not familiar with sleeping masks or sleeping packs, even though they say mask, they are not a wash off. I've seen a lot online misinformation where people have applied the sleeping mask and then they wash it off. I mean, technically you could do that for hydration, but they're made to seal all your skincare, all of the hard work you did at night, and to be slept with on. That's why it's called a sleeping mask. It's not a wash off mask. Just to quickly review, they give you a full size Saturday Skin cleanser, and then they give you 2 mini size, or you know, like months worth of Cosrx toner and essence. So this would be step 1, 2, 3, and then they give you 2 sheet masks. So this would be technically step 4, but once you run out of this step, you can do one of your wash off masks that you have at home to improvise until you run out of the other products. And then the next step I would suggest is the hydrating cream. So lock in all of those steps with a cream, and then use your eye cream, the Saturday Skin eye cream, and then the Saturday Skin sleeping mask for your last and final step. I just really wanted to do this last minute. So if you guys were curious, you can like go right away and get it. And I really wanted to use these products, so I was like, I'm just gonna open this on camera. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe for new skincare videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.